Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. I'm here to announce the next winner of the hidden giveaway that was in the Santa Christmas kit. And I had made this little banner for an example of some things you can make with the kit, things in the kit. So I'm going to draw a winner of everyone who commented below with the Christmas tree, and I have printed off everyone's name in here and rolled it off that had commented. I'm going to move this out of the way so we can see good, and I'm going to draw a name. So like I said before in my videos, from now on, if I make something and to show you what you can do with stuff in the video, I'm going to give that away. So this is what I'm giving away today, this little banner that I made with stuff in the Santa kit. And I'm just going to draw a name so I can get that shipped out this weekend to whoever wins. And let's see who the lucky winner is. If I can get it open. It's been cold here, y'all. Ta-da! Hope Matthews is the winner of the little banner. Hope, if you will email me, I'll have my email below. If you will email me your address, I will ship the little banner out to you. Thank you for playing, everyone for playing, and on November 30th we're going to have the drawing for the hidden giveaway that is in the Woodland kit. We're going to have 4 winners in that one. If you haven't seen that video, hop over there and check it out and see what you can win and comment below. I'm also working on a video for a snowman theme kit, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of something inside the snow kit. Isn't he so cute? I got him and this little guy here. These guys are going to be in the snow kit, and check out these really cool boxes that I found. They're clear all the way around, and the top and the bottom have snowflakes. That's just a sneak peek of stuff that's going to be in the snow kit that I'm putting together. I will have it uploaded this weekend, so check it out. Subscribe so you'll be notified, and congratulations again, Hope, and send me your address so I can send it to you. Y'all have a crafty day, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.